To another video. What we are going to discuss in this video is a major debate about stateful widget and stateless widget, and which widget you should create for creating your web mobile application pages. So what exactly stateful and stateless widget is? A stateful widget you can create by typing the STFUL is a shortcut in Android Studio. So whenever you create a stateful widget, it creates you like this. So whenever you create a stateful widget, what exactly you want to do is you want to change the state of one button. For example, you create a button, and whenever a user interacts to that button, you want the button to change to another position. For example, you want the height to be increased or decreased. You want to change the color of the button whenever a user presses it or interacts with it. That's what you can achieve using stateful widget. There's a function named setState in which you can actually set the states of your button widgets. You can create, if you are interacting with the Firebase, you are creating a login page, you will create some asynchronization function, and you want to change the states as well so that it knows a user is logged in or not. Then you will use the stateful widget. So if you want to change any kind of widget, if you want to change state, because the state is saved in an object of state in Flutter of every widget. So whenever a button you create and you want to change the state, you should create the stateful widget, which will be much helpful because you could not achieve the state changing in stateless widget. And furthermore, if you create a stateless widget, you can create it by STLESS. It's a short form in Android Studio. You cannot actually achieve the set state function because it isn't available in this. So you cannot, if you want to create a static page, a static mobile application page in which you don't want any widget to change, then you can create the stateless widget. And if you don't want any widget to change its state, you can create this. And even if you are not using Firebase, you can actually use that. But if you want to use Firebase and if you want to change the states of any objects or widgets, you should be using the stateful widget. I hope this video just cleared your mind. And if you have more questions about this topic or any topic, you can like the video and subscribe my channel. You can comment below the problem and I'll make the video on it. Thank you so much.